It is criminally easy to make five figures on TikTok right now. You've probably seen people using this method on your For You page. I'll break it down for you. And I don't use the word criminally lightly. This method is slightly morally ambiguous. You can use it if you want. I'm not telling you to do it. I'm just telling you it's out there and people are using it to make a ton of money. So if you didn't know, TikTok launched this new program called TikTok Shops where you can basically tag a product in the description of your video. And the reason this is important is because they're boosting these videos like crazy on the algorithm. You're basically guaranteed to get at least 1,000 views if you just tag it and you make the worst video ever. If you make a good video, you're definitely getting 10K to probably 1 million views on it. So what we're gonna do is make a theme page. You can make it about anything you want. You can repost podcast clips, movie clips, streamer clips, anything you're interested in or that you know there's a big supply of that you can just repost, use that. The trick is that TikTok Shops just made an update where you can now sell informational content on TikTok Shops, so it doesn't need to be a physical product. You can now sell something digital. So alongside your theme page, you're gonna make a digital course that you can tag in every single video, and you don't even care about the course sales. You're just using it so that you can get the TikTok Shops algorithm boost on your video. I see a lot of these theme pages make a course about how to make money with TikTok, so you could basically just remake this TikTok and put it into a course and then sell that alongside your videos. You don't really care if you get sales, but it's an added bonus if you do, I guess. Anyway, your goal is to go viral as quickly and often as possible so that you can get into the TikTok creator program as fast as possible. And then once you do that, you'll be getting paid per view on your posted content. This plus the algorithm boost from TikTok Shops is going to have you making a ton of money per video, and you're going to be at 10K probably within a month. If you want me to try this method for 30 days, let me know and I'll let you know how it works.